Play-Doh mock from 86drive.com, and I'm here at Mann Engineering. We're putting my car on the dyno today. We'll see how much power it makes.
No, I'm kidding.
Tough adversary, the MAHA. Huh? The MAHA dyno is a tough adversary.
Yeah. Look like the more you run, the better the car gets. That's how it always is. What's the rate? So you got 210 at the engine. That's a lot better than stock. And all he's doing is load is like 85. Yeah. Well, he has this is a Catless really drop-in filter and E85 Tune.
So, we've got the results from the dyno poll at Mann Engineering. I have to say I'm pretty pleased with how the results turned out. Essentially, I made about 157 horsepower at the wheels. That may sound low if you're used to the kind of numbers that you would get from a DynoJet dyno, but this is a MAHA dyno, and we know that the results tend to run a bit lower on this type of dyno than on, say, a DynoJet, which is a pretty common dyno result that we would see a lot of people using. For comparison's sake, the stock BRZ, as tested on the same MAHA dyno, made about 136 horsepower at the wheels. If it means anything, the corrected power result on the MAHA dyno for a stock BRZ comes out to about 180, 181 corrected horsepower. And in comparison, my car on the dyno yesterday put out 157.8 horsepower at the wheels and a corrected power number of 205.6 horsepower. So, you know, the result comes out to about plus 20 horsepower with the mods that I've done to my car. So I'm pretty pleased to see that considerable gain given how modest the power mods are that I've done to my car. Again, it's basically a Catless front pipe, a drop-in air filter, and the Vishnu Tuning OpenFlash Tune for running E85 fuel, which I think the E85 obviously helps a lot in terms of giving some of that power gain to my car, and it feels great. So I'm actually very happy with how the car drives, how it feels, and now I have statistical data that shows you how well the car makes power using that tune and running the E85 fuel. The other thing I wanted to point out is that the E85 tune actually helps reduce the infamous torque dip that our motors are very well known to exhibit at the range of about 3,200 to 4,800 RPM. There is that dip that a lot of people claim that they can feel when driving the car, and they definitely can see it on the dyno plot. The E85 tune definitely helps out in that regard. It helps to reduce the severity of that dip, as well as narrow the rev range that that dip appears in. So that is a very nice characteristic of the E85 tune. So yeah, that's it for now, and hopefully you found that interesting and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop us a line. You can email me at pmock@86drive.com, or you can leave a comment here at the bottom of this post, or you can join us in the discussions online at ft86club.com. Okay, thanks a lot. See you soon.